Hello class, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today we'll start with a new chapter, Internet, Surfing and Security. So we all use internet. Internet is the new walk of life. Internet is the largest network which connect millions of computers to share the information over the globe. But there are certain protocols which need to be followed as a cyber safety we'll learn in this chapter. So let's plug in the chapter. Internet and its history, cyber safety, requirements for the internet, terms related to internet, assessing a web page using a web browser, being a netizen. So let's just start the chapter.
Internet and its history. A network is termed as a group of two or more computer systems linked together. Internet is the largest network that connects millions of computers to share information across the globe. Internet allows us to access the information displayed on various websites. These websites which display and add information to the internet have to follow certain set protocols to ensure cyber safety. The history of internet starts with the birth of ARPANET. It was the first network of computers in the world. It was set up by the Department of Defense of the USA in 1969. ARPANET stands for Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. It was developed with the aim of sharing information on research and development in the field of science and technology. It was initially used only by the government officials and scientists. Later on, it was opened for universities to spread education and share their resources. The Internet now occupies an important place in our lives. It is referred to as worldwide network of computers and it is growing at rapid rate. Advantages of Internet. Internet is touching and affecting our day-to-day life. Some of the advantages of Internet are information. We can access to the largest sources of information on any topic of our interest easily. Communication. We can interact and share ideas with our friends on social networking sites through chat, email or video conferencing. Entertainment. We can play online games, listen to music and watch movies. Education. We can take online classes being at home. E-commerce. We can shop products and services with a click of a button such as clothes, books, electronics and goods. We can also book movie, airline and railway tickets online. Disadvantages of Internet. There are certain disadvantages of the Internet that we should be aware of. Some of the disadvantages of Internet are virus attacks. A computer virus is a program that disturbs the normal functioning of a computer system. When we visit fake and untrustworthy sites, these programs get downloaded on our computer and disrupts its functioning. Cybercrime. It is common nowadays on Internet. Our personal information can be misused on Internet by hackers for unlawful purposes. Cyber attack. Computers are widely used in places such as offices, banks and shops. Some people try to steal important information. There is one security threat that has emerged to be a major issue in the last 2 decades, which is a threat to personal information. Cyberbullying. Many people make new friends on the internet which could be fake. Cyberbullying is on rise amongst school children and teenagers. It is an act of sending hateful online messages. Cyber safety. While surfing internet and working on our personal accounts, email, social networking, banking or e-commerce, we need to be careful and follow few guidelines. Choose a strong password for the personal accounts. Passwords are the keys to our accounts. We should make a password that is unique, strong and not easily guessed by strangers or even those close to us. Whenever we open an account, the browser prompts us to save our password so that we do not need to type it each time we visit the same website. We should never save the password. We should use private browsing or incognito mode while using the internet at public places like an internet cafe. Our personal information can be misused on internet by hackers for unlawful purposes. By using private mode, our browser will not store passwords, temporary internet files and data entered by us when we exit the browser. We should never open an email message with attachment or a link unless we are expecting it, or it is from a trusted source or the person we know. It can contain virus which is dangerous for our computer and may disrupt its functioning. Antivirus is a software that is used to detect and remove viruses from a computer. It also protects our computer against a wide variety of threats. We should install an antivirus program to scan the entire computer so that it gets free of viruses and other potential data attacks from time to time. We should update the antivirus program regularly. Requirements for the Internet. To connect to Internet, we need the following equipments: modem. Another requirement for connecting to the Internet is modem. A modem is a short form for the term modulator-demodulator. It is a device that receives data from the Internet and sends data from a computer to the Internet. There are two main types of modem: dial-up modem and digital modem. Internet connection. Internet is connected either through dial-up or broadband connection. A dial-up connection is a less expensive way to access the Internet, but it works at a slow speed. With dial-up access, we use a computer, a dial-up modem and a telephone line. Broadband is a high-speed Internet connection. With broadband access, we use a computer, a digital modem and a broadband line. Using this connection, computer is usually connected to Internet the entire time it is on. Internet Service Provider (ISP). Internet Service Providers (ISP) is a company that provides us the Internet connection and services for an annual or monthly fee. BSNL, Airtel, Jio, etc. are some of the ISPs in India. We may connect to the network connection device physically via cable or wireless means. This wireless means will usually be via a standard called Wi-Fi wireless fidelity. Most wireless devices are compatible with the Wi-Fi standard. Terms related to Internet. Let us discuss some important terms related to Internet. www. www or World Wide Web is a collection of interconnected pages that contain text, pictures, audios and videos. These pages are connected using links. Web browser. A web browser, or simply browser, is a software application that looks for web pages and displays them on the device. It can be used to upload or download files. More than one web browser can be installed on a single computer. Microsoft Edge, Microsoft Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Safari and Mozilla Firefox are the different types of web browsers. Microsoft Edge, Microsoft Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox. Hyperlink. A web page on a website may contain many text, images, audios, videos and links to other web pages. Web pages are created using a language called HTML Hypertext Markup Language. In a website, we can see texts or images that are underlined and highlighted in blue, which on clicking give access to another pages, documents or images. This text or image is called hyperlink or links. Website. A website is a collection of related web pages linked to one another. The first page of a website is called the home page. The home page contains hyperlinks to other pages of the website. Uniform Resource Locator URL. Every house in the city has a unique address so that they can be located easily. Similarly, every website or web page has a unique address. The address of a website or a web page is known as the URL. Some examples of URLs are as follows. Search engine. Search engine is a software that searches through the collection of web pages for a particular information. It allows users to enter any keyword for which it displays a list of websites with related information. Some popular search engines are Google, Bing and Yahoo. Accessing a web page using a web browser. Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is a new default web browser of Microsoft and is included in Windows 10. It enables us to browse the web seamlessly with many new features. Starting Microsoft Edge. Follow the steps to open Microsoft Edge. Step 1. Click on Start icon to open Start menu. Step 2. Click on Microsoft Edge. We can also open Microsoft Edge by clicking on its icon on the taskbar. Microsoft Edge window appears. Step 3. When finished with browsing through the information on web, click on Close X button to close the Microsoft Edge window or press Alt plus F4. Components of Microsoft Edge window. Look at the components of Microsoft Edge window given below. Back forward. Current tab. New tab. Address bar. Favorites. Refresh. Current tab. Edge uses tabs for each web page we have open. The current tab appears as a light gray, while those not open are dark gray. Back forward. The back and forward buttons help to navigate back to the previous page and then move forward again, if necessary. New tab. Click this button to open a new tab. Refresh. Refresh button reloads the web page currently being viewed by us. Address bar. We type web addresses or carry out a web search in this bar. Favorites. The star icon allows us to set a web page as a favorite or to add it to our reading list. Being a netizen. A netizen refers to a person who has the knowledge and skills to effectively use digital technologies to communicate with others, participate in society, and create and consume digital content. We must act responsibly and behave appropriately while browsing the internet. Some of the responsibilities are as follows. Do not read messages and mails of others or post pictures of others without seeking their permission. Do not share your passwords with anyone. Respect others by using kind and courteous words being online. We must inform an adult if someone is bullying or teasing. Do not use offensive or abusive language against anybody. Be polite and choose words wisely before posting any information on the internet. Do not spread rumors. We should keep our computers safe and secure all the time. Throwback. Internet is a global network. ARPANET was set up by the Department of Defense of the USA in 1969. A modem is a short form for the term modulator demodulator. ISP is a company that provides us the internet connection and services for an annual or monthly fee. Web browser is used to browse the internet and open the web pages. Some popular search engines are Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Microsoft Edge is the default web browser of Windows 10. We should be careful while using the internet and working on our personal accounts. We must act responsibly and behave appropriately while browsing the internet.